There's bad news. I died in my hardcore world. I died because I drowned with a Nautilus and impaled me. Those are bad news. And I created a new one. Where's my torch? It's too dark in here. Cannot even see. I almost died because of the skeletons. Have to go up. Yes. This is the way to my home. Because there's no zombies. Skeletons. No skeletons. Where's up? Whoa. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, top. Where's my base? Oh my god. Oh! I didn't even light this place up. Oh my god. Skeletons. I'm gonna die in here. Oh. No. Yes. No. No, I'm gonna die. No. Bro. You thought that I was dead? I duplicate my world. Trick you. At least I duplicate my world. No. Wait. I need to duplicate more. Oh. There's too many mobs. I should have stayed there. Duplicate another one. What this? Yes, duplicate. Yes, duplicate it and no. Look, I died in my hardcore. There's this island right here. My little sister is loud because she's playing up. He's watching phone. 6:42. 6:42. 6:42. Tips pre-release. No. YouTube.
The weirdest photos ever taken. This woman learned to fly.
Du bist gut genug. Ich weiß nicht, was die Welt dir sagt.
So feminine, so kind, so feminine, so kind, so feminine, kind, so feminine, kind, so feminine, so feminine.
Polizei, 3, 4, Grenadier, 5, 6, Antikicks, 7, 8 und bin 1, 2, Polizei, 3, 4, Grenadier, 5, 6, Antikicks, 7, 8 und bin 1, 2, Polizei, 3, 4, Grenadier, 5, 6, Antikicks, 7, 8 und bin 1, 2, Polizei.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? Nobody's gonna know.
Bob has too much meat. Nobody wants more meat. Everyone has meat. Bob wants fruit. Fruit guy also has meat. Bob very mad. He finds shiny rock. very pretty. He offers it for fruit. Fruit Guy takes it immediately, trades for everything. It works every time. Bob collects all shiny rocks. He becomes very rich. Then Bob runs out of rocks. He paints regular rocks shiny. And that's how Bob invented the first counterfeit money. Bob has too much
streaming. I love you so much that it's dripping, dripping from my heart. It's that kind of
Speak English? No. Speak English?
Yellow, 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 yellow. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. New York, Washington.
Theo, why'd you skip school today?
Because I'm grinding Fortnite, duh!
Imagine grinding a dead game. If you miss this shot, you're never playing again.
Shh, you're talking too much.
Hey! Oh my god, he hit it! Theo, why'd you skip school today?
Because I'm grinding Fortnite, duh!
Imagine grinding a dead game. If you miss this shot, you're never playing again.
Shh, you're talking too much.
Hey! Oh my god, he hit it! Theo, why'd you skip school today?
Because I'm grinding Fortnite, duh!
Imagine grinding a dead game. If you miss this shot, you're never playing again.
Shh, you're talking too much.
Hey! Oh my god, he hit it! Theo, why'd you skip school today?
Because I'm grinding Fortnite, duh!
Imagine grinding a dead game.
Too long to...
If you miss this shot, you're never playing again.
Shh, you're talking too much.
Hey! Oh my god, he hit it! Theo, why?
Mojang, you need to explain this to me. Tell me why, if I put lava up here and it pours down over the dragon egg, how does it not burn? It's literally lava. Same thing with water. I can't drown the egg, it's just sitting there like it has some invisible air bubble protecting it. Explain that. And over here, if I shoot like 100 arrows into this glass block, then break the block, how does the egg survive? It's just an egg, bro. How are none of those arrows going through it? Same thing with tridents. I can throw like 100 tridents into this block, break it, and the egg is still fine. All right, what about this? I've got like 20 anvils stacked on top of it. Surely that weight would crush it. Nope. How is this egg supporting like 15 anvils worth of pressure? And sand. You would think all this sand falling on it would destroy it. Nothing. Then you're telling me I can set it over active fire and it still doesn't break? Okay, fine. What if I drop like 20 dripstones on it? That has to work, right? Nope. But apparently, all it takes to destroy this ancient, indestructible, lava-proof, anvil-proof egg is a single torch. One tiny torch. Mojang, fix your game! If Mojang is dumb, like the video, but if I'm dumb, subscribe. Mojang.
Hello!
Please subscribe.
Hello!
Nope.
It's finally load. Let's go. Oh, wait. Bro, I need to stay overnight in here. Because it's all like skeletons right back. Like this. So I'm in the food. Sabi na. Wait. I have gold. I don't have cooked food. Wait to crafting table. I need to craft crafting table. Right there. we need to go craft it. So, craft a furnace. Go. And, the food. Food is more important than this iron. Yeah, my sister is loud because of his phone. So the base is here. This is my emergency base. Oh, bro, I'm using my iron pickaxe. I see those. Oh, we got iron, bro. I guess this doesn't load down to a cage. Yo, there's more iron. There's more? Yo, there's more. There's more iron. If it's still morning, let me check. Oh, iron! The hell? There's no admins in here. This is only single player role. Whoa! I'm not cheating, alright? I'm not cheating. Let's go. Where's my torch? Oh, what? Bruh. I'm not like this. It's for cold. Go, let's go. Rafael touch. No, my pickaxe. Not that. No, I need to craft another pickaxe. I think planks. No. Oh. Six, so we can grab a pickaxe. No. Gold tools. No. Torch. Please, it's a morning. It's day 2. Oh, whoa. The heck? Bruh. No. Bruh, man. Nope. I saw that. They think I didn't saw that. Yeah. Why am I even doing, bro? I'm just harvesting this gravel. Oh, it's still night. There's mobs in here. Oh, I see a mob with copper armor. Oh, what's it? Bruh. Give me this gravel. If you even hear my voice, I need to go to my base. Look. I need a chest. We need to craft a chest so we can store our items. Okay. This ugly stuff. Need to store this ugly stuff. No, and we need that gold. Snow blocks in that. Need that dirt. This armor. Need that iron. Shovel. Need that sticks. I need that wood. You got so set now. You got set. Whoa! I thought my arm was 21. Huh? Oh, 29. So now craft, eh? It is morning yet. No. Please, it's morning. Yo! No, this sun is so down. What the heck? Oh, hell no. Oh, did that fall? No, I'm gonna die again, bro. I'm bad at my crash. No. Whoa. This damage is so powerful. Need to go to my base. Oh. Remember that skeleton I'm just fighting? It might be him in there. He might be there though. He was on top and he fall to the water to survive. Yo! What the? No, I'm getting out. No! Please! No, skeletons. I forgot about the skeletons. Go right there. Please, let me go to the base. I'm so scared. Where's my base? Where's my base? Yes. I'm safe. Save that block. Yes, safe at home. Oh my god. Bro. My home is really just like... I have to go to the top. I need to build the base to the top. Guys, my mom is asking me to buy some cooking oil, so let me stop the recording and you need to stop the recording because I'm gonna buy some cooking oil. I'm done buying cooking oil, so let's proceed. Wait, let me trade. I'm gonna kill you, bro. I need 3 leads. What the hell, bro? That's pretty. Give me leads. Wow, yeah. You need to be dead too. Yeah. Bruh, I'm so evil. Let's start a new base. God. I need like enough effort. At least is big enough. Yeah. It's made of cobblestone. Oh my god. Because I don't want to chop wood. I love the nature. Oh my god. I already ran out of stone. Yup. I'm just spamming blocks. Yeah, boys. Oh my god. Oh, no. Oop. Bro. Oh, shit. Cover the floor with cobblestone. No, this is too ugly. Bro, I leave my cobblestone to my chest. No. That's all my freaking loot. Oh, andesite. Andesite is very good. I need a crafting table at this. This. Yes, give me a crafting table. You need like polish andesite. What is no? Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Who's stealing my grass? Ah, that's okay. It's cleaning it. Two buckets. You need buckets. Where's polish andesite? Polish andesite. Yo! It's much cleaner than andesite. Bro, I'm so dumb. We should have created like stone slabs. Bro. Very good to place it, so satisfying. Satisfying. Whoa. It's pretty good. Yo, it looked like I'm tiled. Bro, it looked like tiles. Wow, let me break this. Yeah. We got 5. Not bad. Oh, it's just 3 tall, bro. Oh, a dog. Do I have bones? I don't have bones. Could I feed it? No, I cannot. So it might be cool. I thought there was a zombie. Oh my god. I don't have enough. I need to craft a cherry gun. I'm talking to weird bird. Doors. Bruh. God. Oh my god. Yeah. This the top is so weird, so we get like that. We need like a window. We need like sand. We're going to the nearest beach. Wait, can I enter? Oh, yes. No. Yes, let's go. It's much cooler. No. We did like it's symmetrical. That. So we can save blocks. So we can get a roof. we need to go to the nearest beach to get like sand. No, oh, no, what the heck? Almost. There's nope. I'm not going in there. Please. No. Oh. To pause it. Hide from that. There's too many skeletons on there on the side. Oh, is that sand? Oh, it's sand. Yes. Let's go. At least there's no mobs. Whoa. Oh man, it's getting dark. I hate mobs so much. Oh, mobs! This is my enough. I'm so scared. Let's go. I'm ready out my guts. Where's my house? Where's my house? Where's my house? Please. Bruh, I didn't pick up the bucket. Slick backs. Come on. I don't. Bro, wait. Bro, close the door. Close the door. I didn't even touch my door. I don't have my bed. I forgot. It's like ready out the dirt. To my base real quick. Let me go to my base real quick. Ah, my mom is cooking food. Wow, it's so good. Oh, I didn't even touch my base. So good. It's not good. Where's my bed? Whoa, where's my bed? Oh, what the? Wait. When my mom says I need to buy some things, I pause the video and create another. Oh my god, what I'm gonna do, bro? Where's my bed? I forgot I don't have a bed. What the? Look. Oh, I have one wool in here. What the frick? Oh, that's the worst day of my life. At least we got sand. Please. Oh. Nicole, bro, my wooden tools might help. It might help a little bit. Let's go in here. No, there's no fuel. I'm too broke. So broke. Mob is gonna go down here because there's holes in my base. I'll be staying on the night with the store. This no, you cannot get that. The spear, I think. Yeah, the spear. What? There's tips for you guys. Oh, where's my armor? Whoa, my battery is glitching, bro. Whoa, wait. Oh my god. So this is the end of the video, guys. Wait for part 2.